From the moment an artist first notices a pile of rusty bolts, weathered stones, or rough pieces of discarded wood, a quiet question begins to form. Can something forgotten become something valuable again, not only artistically but also financially? This question sits at the heart of creative income, where imagination meets opportunity and raw materials transform into both meaningful art and sustainable livelihood. Rusty bolts, industrial scraps, uneven stones, and unpolished wood may appear insignificant at first glance, yet they carry texture, history, and character that polished materials often lack. By embracing imperfections rather than hiding them, artists can unlock a powerful creative language that resonates deeply with audiences seeking authenticity. Welcome to MewTube channel, a creative space where simple ideas turn into beautiful home decor and inspiring wood and stone crafts. This faceless channel is all about creativity, calm making, and handmade charm. Relax, get inspired, and enjoy turning everyday materials into warm, artistic creations. The process of turning industrial discards and natural materials into unique, amusing decor is not just about crafting objects. It is about reshaping perception, teaching viewers and buyers alike that beauty can emerge from the overlooked, and that creativity thrives where others see limitation. Working with rusty metal, reclaimed wood, and raw stone invites the artist into a dialogue with time itself. Each bolt carries marks of labor, each crack in stone tells a geological story, and each knot in wood reflects years of growth and struggle. When these materials are shaped into decor or sculpture, they retain their past while gaining new purpose. A cluster of rusty bolts might become a playful figure, a symbolic ornament, or a conversation-starting accent that brings humor and warmth into a living space. The uneven surfaces, varied colors, and rough textures become strengths rather than weaknesses, creating pieces that feel honest and alive. This honesty is what attracts modern audiences who are increasingly drawn to handmade, sustainable art that tells a story rather than mass-produced perfection. The satisfaction of transforming discarded materials into beautiful art is deeply emotional for the creator. There is a sense of rescue in saving something from waste and giving it meaning again. This transformation mirrors personal creativity itself, reminding artists and viewers that value is not erased by age, rust, or wear. The act of creation becomes meditative, grounding the artist in the physical world through touch, weight, and texture. When viewers witness this process, whether through video or finished pieces, they connect not just to the art, but to the journey behind it. This emotional connection is a powerful foundation for turning creative passion into income. Translating raw wood, stone, and reclaimed metal into sellable art, however, requires more than creative skill alone. It demands entrepreneurial insight, storytelling, and an understanding of how art lives beyond the workshop. Selling art begins with recognizing that each piece carries a narrative, and that narrative must be communicated clearly to potential buyers. People are not only purchasing an object, they are purchasing the idea, the effort, and the transformation behind it. When an artist explains how a rusty bolt once destined for scrap became a charming decor piece, or how a rough stone was patiently shaped into a sculpture, the artwork gains emotional and perceived value. This storytelling becomes a bridge between creator and audience, building trust and interest. Pricing handmade art is often one of the most challenging steps for artists, especially those just beginning to see their work as a potential income source. Many struggle to assign value to something created from inexpensive or discarded materials, but value is not determined by raw cost alone. Time, creativity, originality, and emotional impact all contribute to what a piece is worth. When artists understand this, they begin to price their work with confidence rather than doubt. Buyers who appreciate handmade art are not simply paying for materials. They are investing in craftsmanship, uniqueness, and meaning. Recognizing this truth allows artists to move forward without underestimating their work. Marketing creative work in the digital age opens doors that were once inaccessible. Online platforms allow artists to share their process, finished pieces, and creative philosophy with a global audience. This visibility transforms local passion projects into opportunities for worldwide reach. By consistently sharing behind-the-scenes moments, progress shots, and finished artworks, artists invite viewers into their creative world. Over time, this builds a loyal audience that feels personally connected to the work. These connections often lead to sales, commissions, and collaborations, not because of aggressive selling, but because of genuine engagement and trust. The combination of wood, stone, and metal in artistic creations also expands market appeal. Each material brings a different emotional tone, allowing artists to reach diverse tastes. Wood offers warmth and familiarity, stone conveys strength and timelessness, and metal adds character and edge. Together, they create pieces that feel balanced and versatile, suitable for a wide range of interior styles. This versatility increases the likelihood of attracting buyers who are searching for decor that stands out while still feeling harmonious within their space. If you're enjoying today's creative ideas on YouTube, your support truly means a lot. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your encouragement helps this faceless channel grow and keeps the creativity flowing. As artists grow more comfortable sharing their work online, they begin to understand the importance of presentation. Clear visuals, thoughtful descriptions, and consistent branding help artwork stand out in crowded digital spaces. Showing scale, texture, and detail helps buyers imagine how a piece will feel in their own home. Equally important is authenticity. Audiences respond strongly to honesty, imperfections, and real creative journeys. When artists embrace their learning process and openly share both successes and challenges, they appear more relatable and trustworthy, strengthening their connection with viewers and buyers alike. The idea of profitable art does not diminish creativity, rather, it supports it. Earning income from art allows creators to invest more time, energy, and resources into their passion. It transforms creativity from a hobby into a sustainable practice, giving artists the freedom to experiment, grow, and refine their craft. When viewers see that art made from unlikely materials can support a livelihood, they are inspired not only creatively but also practically. This inspiration empowers others to explore their own creative potential, fostering a community built on shared values of sustainability, imagination, and self-expression. Upcycling industrial discards and natural materials also aligns with a growing cultural shift toward mindful consumption. Buyers are increasingly aware of environmental impact and seek alternatives to disposable decor. Art made from reclaimed wood, stone, and metal meets this desire by offering beauty with purpose. Each piece becomes a statement against waste, encouraging appreciation for resources already in circulation. This ethical dimension further enhances the appeal and value of the artwork, making it easier for artists to connect with conscious consumers. As creative income grows, artists often find themselves evolving not only as makers, but also as communicators and entrepreneurs. They learn to balance intuition with strategy, creativity with consistency. This growth is not about losing artistic integrity, but about expanding its reach. By understanding how to list, present, and share their work effectively, artists ensure that their creations find the audience they deserve. The digital space becomes an extension of the studio, a place where ideas travel far beyond physical boundaries. In the end, the journey from rusty bolts and raw wood to beautiful, profitable art is a testament to the power of perspective. It proves that creative potential exists everywhere, even in the most unlikely materials, and that with patience, imagination, and insight, discarded objects can become sources of income and inspiration. This process encourages both artists and audiences to rethink value, embrace imperfections, and see opportunity where others see waste. By transforming industrial discards and natural materials into meaningful decor and sculptures, creators not only shape objects, but also reshape the way people view art, sustainability, and creativity itself. The result is a cycle of inspiration and income that honors the past of each material while building a future filled with possibility, proving that true artistry lies not in perfection, but in vision, resilience, and the courage to see beauty where it has been forgotten. If you're enjoying today's creative ideas on YouTube, your support truly means a lot. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your encouragement helps this faceless channel grow and keeps the creativity flowing. Thank you for spending your time with YouTube. I hope these home decor and woodcraft ideas inspired you to create something meaningful. If you enjoyed the journey, like, share, and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Keep crafting, keep imagining, and see you again soon.